Remember, since morning you've seen a lot of back and forth, neither the opposition nor the treasury benches willing to cede any space. And that largely has been the statement written large over all the politics that you have seen in the 18th Lok Sabha. Now we do know that in the next 2 hours, sharp at 4, is where the Prime Minister will be responding in the Lok Sabha to the vote of thanks motion, and the Prime Minister has already set the tone and tenor to what his reply likely could be. Earlier in the day, he held and chaired an important NDA parliamentary meeting where he said that the Gandhis feel devastated because they are no longer close to that chair. He also says कि कुछ लोग इसलिए परेशान हैं कि एक चाय वाले का बेटा तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बन गया है. So you see that sharp frontal attack that will be directed at the dynasty, the nepotism bab, the one parivar rule, something that again has been used in the campaign by the Prime Minister, versus the Rahul Gandhi, who's also today hit out at the chair. He says, why I have been discriminated against at. He is asking the chair, that is Om Birla, as to whatever reference I made regarding NEET, Agniveer, Adani, Ambani, why have those comments been expunged? The chair is citing a rule, but clearly, like I said, you have a day 2 of again a showdown between Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi. Before we get in our team of reporters tracking the story, reporting from different perspectives on this, let's play out reactions we have from most camps. First up is Rahul Gandhi, where he said कि आप सच्चाई को दबा नहीं सकते, छुपा नहीं सकते.
राहुल जी राहुल जी क्या कहना चाहेंगे? राहुल जी क्या कहना चाहेंगे? देखिए अरे हाथ मत पकड़िए, हाथ छोड़िए आप. अरे राहुल जी बोल रहे हैं भाई, आप बोल रहे हैं. राहुल जी बोल रहे हैं, अरे बोल रहे हैं.
मोदी जी की दुनिया में सच्चाई एक्सपंज हो सकती है, मगर रियलिटी में सच्चाई एक्सपंज नहीं हो सकती है. जो मैंने कहा था, जो मैंने कहना था, मैंने कह दिया. वो सच्चाई है और एक्सपंज करें, जितना करना है करें. सच्चाई होती है. धन्यवाद.
So Rahul Gandhi saying, मैंने जो कहना था वो कह दिया है, वो सच्चाई है, वो दब नहीं सकती. You would recall that there is a pattern that has been pointed by the entire opposition, whether it's Rahul Gandhi, whether it's the like of an Akhilesh Yadav, who've again and again said that this government will have to listen to us as in the opposition, the Janta's voice. Earlier also we've seen reactions that have come in from the Congress's camp. These are 2 MPs, Manikam Tagore and Shashi Tharoor, again reiterating that Rahul Gandhi said nothing wrong. It is the chair that is discriminatory towards the opposition.
और राहुल जी ने जो कहा कि ऐसे भी हिंदू हैं आपके तरफ, भाजपा की तरफ, जो अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हुए भी वो लोग नफरत और हिंसा करते हैं. इसमें मुझे तो कोई गलत नहीं लगा, क्योंकि ये सही बात है. हम तो बहुत सालों से देख रहे हैं हमारे राजनीति में कि जो हिंदू धर्म, जो स्वामी विवेकानंद ने सबको सब सिखाया, ये सब बिना समझ के अलग किस्म की बातें करके अपने आप को हिंदू समझते हैं और हिंदुत्व के नाम दुरुपयोग करते हैं. तो मेरे ख्याल में जो राहुल जी ने कहा है बिल्कुल सही कहा.
We know that Mr. Modi and Amit Shah ji was being disturbed and they've been rattled in the house itself. We can see that first time Mr. Modi has to stood 2 times to heckle the opposition leader, and Mr. Amit Shah led that thing for around 3 times. He did it, and these kind of things shows that their frustration. We are running a minority government with the support of Mr. Naidu and Mr. Nitish Kumar. We know that what day Mr. Naidu and Nitish Kumar takes a U-turn, that frustration is hurting them. Because of that, they are removing the words like RSS. They are removing the words like Adani, Ambani, NEET, Agniveer.
I also have 2 of our colleagues joining us, Shivani and Sabyasachi, both reporting on the story. And you know, Shivani, I was just reading this tweet that has come in from Pawan Khera of the Congress. He goes on to say, कल संसद में राहुल गांधी ने हिंदू विचार की व्याख्या करते हुए कुछ लोगों को आईना भी दिखाया. उस आईने में उन लोगों ने अपना विभत्स चेहरा देखा. Then he goes on to speak about Hindutva, Hinduism, and at the end, Shivani, he says, हम हिंदू विचार को भाजपा की संकीर्णता में कैद नहीं होने देंगे. So clearly, They want to play on the same pitch that they believe the BJP has been using and milking for the last many years, at least, the last decade or so. And they're also trying to challenge the BJP, saying that this is just not your pitch anymore. This pitch even belongs to us, Shivani.
Certainly, Deepthi, we've seen how Pawan Khera has come out now to defy what Rahul Gandhi had said yesterday, and before him many other leaders, including Priyanka Gandhi, who also said that my brother did not point out at the Hindus, but he was speaking about the BJP leaders. Pawan Khera is speaking about Ma Ganga, and he is now comparing Hinduism to the Ma Ganga, and they are all, the BJP is saying that this is the damage control that the Congress is now up to, because whatever Rahul Gandhi has said, it was objectionable, it has hurt the sentiments of Hindus across the country, across the world, and we've already seen, Deepthi, how the protests have already started against Rahul Gandhi for his remarks, though the remarks have already been expunged in the parliamentary records after objections and counters and the orders from the speaker in the Lok Sabha. But Rahul Gandhi, as he was coming to the parliament today, he has given a statement that सच्चाई expunge नहीं की जा सकती है, and he was also targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi by saying that Narendra Modi की दुनिया में सच्चाई expunge की जा सकती है, but this is the truth and I will stick to it. So we see the relentlessness of Congress party, and they are adhering to what Rahul Gandhi had said. They are not only defending him, but they are also standing by him and sticking to whatever he said. They said that whatever has been expunged should not have been expunged, Deepthi. A letter has already been written by Rahul Gandhi to Om Birla, and he says that whatever remarks have been expunged should be restored, because this is discrimination that's happening in the House.
Absolutely. So fireworks, not just inside the Sansad, even outside the Sansad, because we've seen at multiple locations the BJP holding a protest against what Rahul Gandhi said. They said that he needs to apologize. Now, clearly, will that happen or not is anyone's guess. But before I come to Sabyasachi, let's quickly listen in also to this detailed response that Shivani just spoke about, that has come in from Congress's Pawan Khera, and why he believes that this is a good directional step that has been taken by Rahul Gandhi. In a moment, but earlier when he had taken to the social media, he did elucidate to the fact that when you talk of the Hindus are no property just of the BJP and the RSS. And he said, I did not mean to say that all the Hindus are violent. Rahul Gandhi, remember, forced to qualify his comment. But like the BJP said, the damage already has been done. How has the Congress responded? We can now listen in to Congress's Pawan Khera.
साथियों, कल राहुल गांधी सा आईना दिखाया संसद में, जिस आईने को देखकर कुछ लोगों को अपना विभत्स चेहरा दिखाई दिया. They got afraid of looking into that mirror which Rahul Gandhi showed to them in the parliament yesterday. और आईना झूठ नहीं बोलता, आईना हकीकत बयान कर रहा था. राहुल गांधी ने हिंदू धर्म की जो व्याख्या की, हिंदू धर्म बोलना मुझे अटपटा लगता है, हिंदू विचार की जो उन्होंने व्याख्या की, उस विचार की व्याख्या सुनकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पांव तले जमीन खिसक गई. हिंदू विचार में साहस है, अहिंसा है, सत्य है. भाजपा में आपको ये तीनों चीजें कहां दिखती हैं? ये स्वयंभू ठेकेदार बनके मेरे इस विशाल हिंदू विचार को कैद करना चाहते हैं. आप बौने हो, आप इतने विशाल विचार को अपने आकार में क्यों ढालना चाहते हो? हम आपको ये नहीं करने देंगे. गंगा कहां से शुरू होती है, कहां खत्म होती है, क्या इसका उत्तर किसी के पास है? जो गंगोत्री से बहना शुरू करे और सागर में चली जाए, सिर्फ वो गंगा नहीं है. इट गोज इनटू द एथर, इट कम्स बैक फ्रॉम द एथर एंड कीप्स फ्लोइंग. अनंत काल से ये नदी बहती है, इसीलिए साफ रहती है.